Hey, hello, welcome to Math with BK. In this video, we'll be going to study about sets. So this is a basic introduction to sets in math. So we will go through the introduction of sets. By that I mean what is a set, what are the concepts involved in sets, and how we can represent sets, etc. we'll learn in this video. So basically a set is a well-defined class or collection of object. So what does that mean is, let's say you have a box. Okay, you have a box, and inside the box there are a group of different colored balls. Let's say you have few blue balls, few red, few green, right? So let's say you have a box, and in that box you have different colored balls. So here you can say that I have a set of balls. So set is basically a collection of objects. It may not be a physical collection, it could be words. So let's say I have a set called A, B, C, D. Then we can say this as A, B, C, D are the elements of this set of alphabets. So generally sets are written inside curly brackets, and these are known as elements. Okay, so let me remind you once again, sets contain elements and they are represented inside curly brackets. There are other ways to represent also, but these 2 points are to be remembered. Okay, now the other point, sets are usually denoted by symbol ABC and its element are denoted by small letters. So generally you will see that A equal to A, B, C, etc. Generally we represent set in this form, where the name of the set is in capital letter and the elements are in small letter. Okay, now let us talk about the representation of set. Now there are two methods of representing sets. Let me just write it down. One method is roster and the other method is set builder. Okay, we have these two methods. In roster method, a set is described by listing elements separated by comma within curly brackets. So as I already said, they are generally represented something like this. So for example, this will be like A, E, I, O, U, right? And in set builder form, a set is described by property px, which is possessed by all its element x. So generally it is written something like x px holds, right? Or we can write it as x align px and then holds the condition, which is read as the set of all x such that px holds. I'll just repeat, this can be read as the set of all x such that px holds. So this line is basically read as such as, right? The set of all x such that px holds. Just remember that. Now for example, we have p equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we can write p as x such that x belongs to whole number, right? So what is happening here is p is x where x is a whole number. So more correctly, this will be like dot dot, so it will be like 4 5 6 dot 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 and close. So then it will, x will have values which are whole numbers, so 0 1 2 3 4 etc. So this is how you write your set. So just a reminder, in roster form it is written as this form, and in set builder notation it is written in this form, right? So this is, guys, the basic introduction to set. Here we talk about what is a set, and then how it is written, and then the two different representation of set. In my next video on set, I will talk more about the different types of set we use in mathematics. Thanks for watching, and do give a like if you really enjoyed this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.